Welcome to a new era, a new dimension of Pininfarina design. I want to share with you the principles of our PURA design philosophy. What is PURA? Is the art of balancing design ingredients needed to create timeless design, defined by the beauty of simplicity. The ingredients of PURA are simplicity, contrast, fearless innovation, and the beauty of imperfection. Pininfarina is loved for creating timeless beauty, never following, always leading, evolving its recipe. Now, this is the right time for Automobili Pininfarina to showcase the most beautiful vision of the future. The future starts here.